Okay, 2001 Chrysler Seabring. Had something wrong with the blend door actuator. This is the controller, body module control. It controls that stuff. So we're just gonna go here. I'm gonna do blend door first. And I got this light right here that'll tell you which way the door is moving, left or right. Here's the left, okay? Here's the right. Alright, left again, and right. So that's working for that one now. This is for saying out in Snellville for the body module control. Got the wire diagram there for it. Got it hooked up. So now let's go on to the next one. Just cancel that. Actuate. Let's go to mode door. Okay, and now mode door is 26. So pin 26. So this is my last one. Moving it over. And then common is the 15th, so I ain't got to move that one. So let's test it again. Watch the lights. Got it on the actuator. So let's go left and right. Okay. Left and right. So that's working now. Back out of there. And now go back into actuator doors again, and then we're going to do the recirculation. And recirculation actuator is common 15 and 24 pins, so it should be right here. Alright, so a circulation motor, it'll probably only control one way, but let's see. It does say left and right, but I don't know if it'll control like that, but let's see. Here's left, and here's right. Left and right. Okay, so it's working. Alright, so got your new chip on. Had to redo some soldering on there, get that thing on, and had to replace a little 5-volt regulator there. This resistor right here, that's the main resistor that powers this whole chip. I checked it, it looked good. Most of the controllers, this actually talks directly to the CPU of the chip, so which I really don't like how they designed that. I wished it went through like a little register chip and then talked to the processor that way. This is the plug for the remote control, so you can turn on or unlock and lock the doors, so hopefully everything works well with that. I got that module sitting right over here. It's this little guy. So once I get it all put back in, I will do a final test and be good from there.